Hover door. A floating door that defies gravity. Picture your shower door equipped with cutting-edge magnetic levitation technology, revolutionary innovation. With just a gentle touch, the hover door smoothly glides open. Our globally patented magnetic levitation technology, backed by a lifetime floating warranty, ensures your door's enduring quality. With neodymium magnets losing just 1 to 5% strength every century, your door remains dependable for a lifetime and more. Our incorporation of magnetic levitation technology sets us apart. Defies gravity to create doors that effortlessly float. Enjoy the door's peaceful and sophisticated movement as it quietly opens and closes, featuring a soft close mechanism. Elevate your shower experience with Hover Door, the last shower enclosure you'll ever need. Say goodbye to landfill waste, eliminate maintenance costs, avoid labor and replacement expenses, all while safeguarding your financial future. Lead the way with maglev door technology, featuring diverse color and style options. Reserve yours today. Don't slide. Hover.